Okay, good morning everyone. So let's see where we are now. Gapped up since yesterday, like multiple hundreds of points, sell of which held support eventually towards this very important 400 level as discussed. Gapped up higher, very tight initial balance trades here. We're going to see if and go with the direction of the trend. If it breaks above initially, will trigger a long position for a continuation and for price to go and fill up some of these very less traded since yesterday volume area. Although if price fakes out initial balance high and reverse towards and holds below initial balance low, we need to see this and go for a move towards 400s. Okay, so price moving lower here. You can see this rejection here very provided straight down opportunity. Scale out already here below the initial balance low, now holding some for a new low here and perhaps an extension towards this 400s. If this happens within the first 30 minutes, I will look for the, suppose this is the 30 minute here, I will look for a reversal short-term long opportunity down here. So that's why I cover my short position here after scaling up, because every short here is going to have to cover and price will move higher. Just so this falling below. Of course, this doesn't mean this cannot hold lower, but let's see. Short it again here for a potential breakdown of this level here and move lower. Miss this kind great entry earlier here on the short, then covered and reverse the position for a potential breakout, but great short opportunity up here at this, against failing to. Then we need to see if price will either hold this opening or have a retest and then reverse a good amount of this previous 30-minute candle. Of course, this is all hypothetical. We need to see how prices will behave. Here, since this long position scaling out, we would like to see if price can go towards the volume weighted average price and then see what it does there. A little bit lower here, almost to close this gap. We can see here on the daily profile here that price just held support at this point of control of yesterday's session, and this 400s, of course, we need to see if this will be able to hold this and kind of find momentum towards the volume weighted average price, because it keeps selling lower and lower. For this potential move of a move towards midpoint of this first hour of cash trading range or volume weighted average price at the time. Okay, so price sold off straight down below this European cash opening range low, first hour of cash trading low. Here I scalped a little, some few long positions here, scale down there, flatten there in anticipation price can move back up to volume weighted average price. Now when long here price is at between 100 and 140% average exhaustion since the first hour of cash trading low. Perhaps we need to see if price can go and drive a little bit rebound towards the volume weighted average price. So let's see where we are now. Price sold off straight down below this first hour of cash trading low, went down to 100%, between 100% and 140% exhaustion since the first hour of cash trading range low right here, just trading lower and lower. Now we need to see, we have very low probabilities for price to extend towards, let's say, 200s or at 164% or 200% twice the size of this move. So I bought here earlier before the US cash opening and now a little bit before. We need to see if price can just consolidate shadows and then kind of rebound towards the volume weighted average price. Of course, in terms of the bigger picture, we can see straight liquidation above the weekly highs and here below previous week's lows, straight down moves with no much time spent within these areas. Perhaps we need to pay attention at these previous week's lows as well in case price moves lower and holds below this. We should look for a further downside. So already scale out here a part of the position. Would like to see this kind of perhaps towards 340s, let's say, a rebound. The probabilities of this going lower here, we can see this, for this to go lower between 150% and 200% extension, so towards this 10,200 we have like a 10% chance of this happening, so it's very low probability. That's why I managed to average a position here under this area, because of course it had happened in the past price to go further down, but because we don't have any kind of major events or something about that just happened right here, right now, today, and we just drifted lower and lower. It was good trade location here, scale out. Here perhaps we need to see what it does above volume weighted average price and if it goes there. Close to the European cash close again, just flattening the position right here. Of course, it could have flattened further upside, so